Yeah, it's okay. Actually, I think that was some system flaw. It
No, no, no.
never happened.
It should
That
be
is,
prior to the pre-bid date. We were
ah,
putting up it, right?
okay.
So response should start before the bid, no, actually. And we were
Right.
after the bid date, so it was not taking, right? So now it
Yeah,
has
right. Okay, done then.
17 to 20. They are able to send the responses, and the
Yeah,
time ends on 20.
fine.
And these
Yeah,
are
negotiate.
bidding rules. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Actually, these are the self-explanatory stuff. Yeah, you go
Correct.
proceed further. Proceed further. Now click on next. You will get a team.
Where next?
Hmm.
Okay. I think there are some.
Event. वो अभी now it's 11:20. What it is showing? 17. Okay. You have response start date 11 a.m. Already 11 a.m. is there, right?
Yeah, almost.
The response start date should be 11:15 something.
Okay.
You just check what is the event start time must be later than preview end time. Preview end time. Preview end time 20th January you have written. Pre-bid end time. So it should be 17th of Jan 11:15 and then start. It's not required to enter the pre-bid end time as well. Even though
Okay.
you will delete that pre-bid end time, that is also fine because it's not a mandatory field, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now go ahead.
Due date is mandatory. I have taken it
Yeah.
as
Yes.
okay. Bidding
Click
rule.
next.
Okay. Number of
Number
periods.
of periods. Yeah. One or two.
Okay. Volume scale. No, it is not mandatory.
That is fine. Next.
And supplier override volume. Okay. That is also not mandatory. Currency rules.
No,
Not
only
mandatory.
these fields are mandatory. Click on next.
Exact
Event
time.
start time must later than. It took the date 17th of Feb again.
Oh.
You have to remove this 10:30 a.m. as well, no? Delete.
No. Now it shows as mandatory. Earlier it was not mandatory. So we'll take it as 20th. Okay.
No. Hold on. See, pre-bid end time and response start date. Pre-bid is first. Once pre-bid is done, then the bid will start, right?
Okay. But it is
No.
future time for
No. See, the thing is, you are creating the event now, right?
correct.
You are creating the event. So definitely, the pre-bid should start from today.
Okay.
You just go back, and then come again over here.
Okay. Should I go back completely from here? Exit.
Go back or exit. Yes. Do the exit. Yeah. Return to the dashboard.
Just a minute. Now I'm getting this.
So remember, whenever this type of an event, you
Okay.
have to refer the existing event. It's like if you want to create a PO,
Your voice is breaking.
what you can do is you can record existing record.
Hello, event type is RFP.
Yeah.
Import from Excel, no. Baseline spend. That is also not mandatory. So do we record?
Yeah, you can use all the mandatory fields only has to be filled.
This is what is happening when I'm using the remote desktop.
Okay.
Oh shit! Now again it is gone. Yeah.
But you are doing it on your normal thing, right?
Earlier I was on a normal desktop only, but I'm getting unauthorized error. I'm getting the error, right? You must just now you saw it. See, this is the error I'm getting when I'm not using the remote desktop. And when I'm using the remote desktop, I'm getting frequent disconnection error.
Manoj, can you open an Intangent window once?
Which one?
Same URL. Just go to the normal, take the URL. Intangent window. You open it in this. Go to settings. Yeah. Yes.
In this?
Yes. You pasted the URL here and enter the user and password. And you can, maybe first time when you get it, right? You need to remove your cache and everything.
Okay.
Now you try. All are case sensitive as with the notepad password.
Yeah.
Yeah, you use this. Another thing, why it is coming that error is you need to clear the cache in cookies.
Okay.
So,
So it is. I'm seeing one document is in draft state. So can I open the same document?
Yeah. You can open that document itself. Yes.
Okay. So period end time we were stuck here, right?
Yeah. See, don't enter the pre-bid end time. You don't need the pre-bid end time. Pre-bid you don't need. Remove that 10:30 a.m. as well. Now this should start with a 12 p.m.
Okay.
12 p.m. Yes. Now it should be 12 p.m. Now it's 12.
Right. I think it should be 0. No. 12 p.m. is not there. So 12 a.m. only.
Anytime 11:30, 11:45.
Okay. This 12 a.m. is in past, right? So I think.
Right.
Yes, sir.
These requirements has to be done if we get the requirement. Other than that, we are other.
Please go on mute others.
Yes.
Guys, others go. Is there option? All of them we can mute it and enable only Manoj and Amit.
Go to the next. Now click on next button.
Right? Yeah, I think it has taken.
Perfect.
And now we are
So team. This is a team. Then go to the supplier.
Go to. Your voice is completely breaking, Amit.
Go to the team member now.
Team member. Okay.
Now it's done. Okay. Now go to the supplier. It's done, right? Now these are the team members of your proposal.
Okay. So we can enter the values here, right? Whatever values we want.
Yeah, if you want, you can, like whoever would be the team members, you could be able to enter it.
Okay, got your point. Then supplier.
Correct. Now you can enter the supplier.
Okay. So already Saraswati. If I want to add more,
Petition that is in progress, right? Yeah, the development has started.
okay, like,
By tomorrow.
okay,
Uh,
global observer. Okay, we can,
yeah, actually,
Yeah.
40%.
now we can go to supplier, right?
Correct. Now you can add the supplier. See, your name would not be there. Why? Because you are not yet added as a team member. But ST Ariba or something would be there. Okay. So now you can
Okay, so okay,
ST Ariba something. Search.
yes, it is there, right. Got your point.
It's there, right?
Yes. Why it is not there?
No. Search it. Search it. Name should be different, right? This is a username. ST Ariba is a username.
Uh-huh.
So add more.
Is there any call you have you with
Click on add more.
Nothing is
Oh,
there.
no. Okay, I think now you don't have. Click on that arrow, below arrow. Click on search more.
Okay,
Perfect. Correct. Now you can choose it. Whatever your ID is.
right, got your point. So one,
I see. Why Manoj is doing it because I want all 10 of you to do this.
correct, got your point.
All of you should do it. Remember this.
I added my team members, okay.
Right. Good.
Okay, then similar way, I need to add the suppliers, correct?
Suppliers. Right. Click on search only. Then you can add the suppliers over here.
Here, where is the search option?
Invite participants. Click on invite participants. Yeah. Now click on search. Then only you can select the suppliers. Yeah. Click on search button.
Search by, right, or search filter?
No. Just click on search. Then you can see below, and then you can pick the suppliers.
Organization and contact information participants.
Organization and contact information.
the new approach document?
Yes.
The new approach document.
Okay.
Now below you have a search button. Click on that.
Okay. After that, you can put another addendum page.
No, nothing is okay. Nothing is okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm not getting any details here, but
Yeah. Click on search button. Search.
here, right? Search. Nothing is coming out.
No. You should not here. Not here. Create new participant. Reset and no. Click on the existing participants. So if you are doing the new participants, then you are adding the new supplier. Cancel this. Even you have to add the new supplier, but not right now. In the tomorrow's session, we will add it.
Okay. How do I go back? Cancel it.
Cancel it.
Because it has only 100 hours of effort.
Okay. So, I'm going to again invite participants.
Make it 30, make it 12 point.
Search by organization and contact information.
No, just beside reset, there is a search button. Click on that search.
Okay, this one. All right.
Yes, Sudhir. Yeah, Sudhir, your point is there.
Yeah, now you got us 26 results, right?
Yes.
These are the 26 suppliers. Now you select any supplier.
Okay.
One supplier would be of mine as well. See this Amit. You can select this Amit there. See these EY users. Last month I took the training with EY, so all these are my students. Rohit IT Services, then Pawan, this PN Consulting. This is my email ID. Select this supplier PN Consulting.
PN Consulting. Where it is?
ITR Arena के पीछे. See this XYZ. Then I think Rohit is my student. EY LLP is my student, Prakash Mohan. Yes, so these people have created the suppliers. In the same way, you also have to do the same.
Okay, all right. So I selected 5, 6. Right. Apple, EY, IBM, Microsoft, and PN Consulting. Okay.
Yeah, so you are, it means that you are now
Sending the
I think-
proposal to these guys, right? Inquiry to
Correct.
these guys. Proposal.
Correct. They will submit the proposal. Now click on next. I hope all 2025 participants could be able to follow the Manoj. I want all of you to do this without any help. Or if you want, you can go via recording and you can complete this.
Okay. Then here add.
Sorry to interrupt. In the supplier screen, there is an option called select Excel import, right? So what is the format? Any standard format will be there in
Yes.
case I want to import it?
Yes.
Is it possible? Can you show?
Actually, we will look into it later. It's very easy. But now
Okay.
the sync will go out. Okay, if you want, what you can do is you just click on this Excel import. Okay, so no, not don't do it now, else our entire time will go into that part.
Maybe
Okay, you can
we will try, and in case any issues, maybe can
Correct.
you show it?
Correct. There would be the in Ariba, always remember for everything there is a format.
Okay.
Okay, and for everything there are templates. Okay, so you all whatever imports you have to do, that would always be there. Whatever kind of an imports it would.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah, next.
should we go to 4 content?
Yeah, now next content.
Now here I think we have content, introduction, commercial terms and pricing. So select one by one or how? Hello,
Yeah,
Amit.
just add the attachment and all the details.
Okay, here the addition of okay. Additional file can be attached here, right? With more details.
Yes. Yeah.
So Sushil will only give you approval for the video. How is it?
Okay, like this we'll get all right. Commercial terms. What is this table screen, lot, line item, everything? Hello, Amit.
Yeah,
Can I
these
select-
line items you have to add as 1000 laptops over here.
Current issue get on Saturday.
Okay.
Check with Umesh if it's available.
And again, we have to select a no, nothing, no need to. Pricing condition rule. Just enter as apply here. Can I enter? Done.
Now enter the pricing. Yeah. Whatever mandatory fields are there, like there are 5 mandatory fields. Okay, go up. Yes, that star one you have to fill it up.
Okay.
Yeah, from my side, I am working on
In the pricing, you have to give the historic price, quantity you have to give, all these details you have to substitute.
Okay.
Yes, yesterday we have managed to make it
Quantity, yes.
11 take the time.
Okay, so now remember that, okay, you are getting these errors. What does this mean? This means that you have to look into the error and you have to resolve it by your own. Okay, now you click on this above errors. Everyone please remember this. Okay, now 2.1 extended price. This has to be filled.
What is the extended price here? Where?
Yeah, no, you go down, you look into that. What it has been written? 2.1. Come down, see this is an extended price. Okay, now why this is coming as an extended price? Because it is being part of a template.
All right.
Yeah, all these errors you have to remove. Okay, click on next. You can be able to remove the error. This is not for this case. Okay, always remember everyone. Whenever you are getting the errors in Ariba, it's very easy to resolve the error. It's not like an SAP.
Okay.
Okay, you click on the next button, you will come to know what is pending, what things has to be entered, how it has to be entered. Sometimes if you are entering it wrongly.
Advanced pricing term.
Correct, yeah.
Please add and cost item like price. So
it's not only for Manoj. Everyone, please look into this thoroughly. Accordingly, you have to set it up.
okay, so what should be done here in this case? There are no cost item added.
Yeah, now there are 4 problems. There are no customs added to the advance. Okay, customs are not added. Okay.
Mhm.
So go to the advanced pricing and add the customs. Add below in items, add customs. Terms, perfect. Term. It's written, right? Cost
Yes.
term. So choose best price, best extended price or something like that.
Okay.
Okay, add it and then add the pricing as well for the same.
Okay, then all right. Then just I have added best extended price here, right? Click on OK.
Right. That price also needs to be entered, right? Means instead of $500 max to max, it could go to the $550.
Okay. So where do I enter the price here?
Best extended price. So you might have a formula, right? Yes. Yeah. Now click on next. How many errors are still pending now?
Advanced pricing conditions. So there are three extended price. Then okay, extended price. Then cost terms. Addition of cost term.
Like price you have added. This is one.
This condition.
There are 4 problems, right? Click on next or click on previous.
Again, it is coming back to extended price.
Okay, next historical value. This is you must provide a historical value. So you have to provide the historical value.
Okay, so again I will do pricing.
Over there only.
Where? So,
Here, can you see where you have to give the historical price? I will not tell you now.
in the price, right? Action. Historical price.
See, you can see this, huh? Ceiling extended.
How do?
Edit. Click on edit.
Okay.
So you have given the ceiling price.
Correct.
Okay, instead they are expecting to have the historic price.
No. Edit now.
Come down. Yes. Yeah, okay.
I click on OK.
Yeah.
But we did not put anything, right? Extended
Now
price.
let's see what all things are pending now.
I have also
Quantity you have entered.
And the cost term.
Cost terms you have added, na? Add terms and cost.
You have to follow the because I didn't realize for the reason.
Could you be able to give the control to me?
Yes, yes.
Is it possible to give the control via the circuit? Mhm.
Yeah, that's what we were discussing, right? Because I don't have the button here by which I can allot you the control, but definitely you can
Just a
request.
minute. Just a minute. Huh? It's I think whatever mandatory fields are there, those are only pending.
It's very difficult for me to allot control. Amit, can you ask for control? Can you request for control to me? Can you please check whether you have access for requesting the control? Hello, Amit.
Yeah, I'm taking.
You have taken the control?
I think I can't.
Amit do not have the option. Beside the recordings, if you see, there is no option there.
Okay, anyway, fine. Share your screen.
I'm already sharing my screen.
Yeah. No, share that screen.
Okay.
Ariba screen. I hope everyone could be able to get this one. Yeah. Now, what are the pending things? Let me see. Yes. There are
2.1 extended price, historical value for item 2.1.
yeah. Remove this ceiling price. Remove this.
This one?
Ah.
Can I remove this?
You remove this ceiling price. Correct.
Okay.
Now press enter.
Yeah.
Okay, and then click on next button and now see how many things are still pending.
No, it is still showing the same.
There are 4 problems.
Provide reserve
Reserve
value.
value for item 2.1. Okay, it has been done. I will tell you. You have already entered the ceiling price, so reserve value got terminated. Okay, go back and then come again. Just go back, exit this screen.
Cancel
Cancel.
everything.
Cancel.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on next. Just check. Okay, envelope 1 is not defined in the event. Okay, come down. So only envelope 1. Where is this error? This could be yes. Go back to the pricing. Go click on the previous button.
Okay.
So somewhere envelope 1.
Hello. Just to go to the content pricing. Just to select the pricing. Edit. Last edit.
There could be somewhere.
Yes. You come down. Here the envelope just to make it 1 or 2.
Here.
Yes.
Right.
Save. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Next.
Yeah, I think it has gone to
Publish. Click on publish.
Just to go to
now you can click on publish button. Perfect.
And now come to your dashboard. You can see.
Just a minute. I published.
Yes. Just to go return to your dashboard. Return. Second one.
Now it's done. It's done.
Yes.
Event is published now.
Now just you can see here. You see here. First, my document list. The first is your this one.
मी सांगितलं सर
Hello, Manoj.
त्यांनी हे केलं वाटतं चेक केलं डिक्लेअर दाखवलं नॉट अलाउड असं दाखवलं वाटतं.
ओके त्यांना द्या ना फोन. काय म्हणतायत ते? म्हणजे तुम्ही सांगितलं नाही ना की जॉब आणि हे तसं काही नाही म्हटलं.
नाही गेस्ट आहे.
Manoj, this one itself is expected for today. I want everyone to do the same.
Okay.
Now, even there are few further more things as well, but I know that you couldn't be able to do it today itself. We have planned to execute this event tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. So today's target is to create the project itself. That's
Project,
it.
yes. But at
Okay.
least I want 3 to 4 projects to be created now. Okay, yeah, now you have to play with it.
Understood. Got your point.
Like one question, I'm not able to change the currency from USD to any other like INR or euro.
Right, because if you will see the start, at the start you have a currency. That's the reason you couldn't be able to change it.
Okay, in the overview, right?
Correct. At the start.
Okay.
So do one thing, everyone see this Manoj's proposal. Okay, and accordingly you try to create it, all of you. First try to create the proposal as it is, like if, even though you are copying it, that is also fine.
Also, once I publish the event, will I be able to change the start date of the event?
What?
Once
Once I publish the event, suppose I have created this event, I have published it. So if I want to change the schedule, if I want to edit the start date of the event, or let's say timing, will I be able to do that?
You can be able to do it. Actually, start date you can't do. The pause event you can do or make some changes into it. Start date of the event you can't change. But yes, publish date or extension date that you could be able to do.
Yes.
You go to the actions. See, extend timing or reduce timing.
Okay, thank you.
Like this. Clear?
Yes.
So before we start, sure enough, we for 3 days. We are back to the student etc. Hossein is on leave for 3 days. That is there as a backup and is backup. And Mahendra is also on leave. And
Amit, we will also go through this Ariba CIG today, or
okay.
These are all planned, so we are not.
Sure, told about the 1 month back.
so that will be done tomorrow then, is it?
Yes. In fact, not tomorrow. We have planned for Friday. Because this is a basic stuff, first I have to cover it up. And you should have some hands-on on the system.
Okay.
Go back from this here to if I want to create one more project.
Yeah, I would like you to create 4 to 5 projects.
Okay, again, all Okay, Amit, here in this case, I am requesting for tables for the laptops. Okay, so predecessor project, can I select as 1,000 laptops, which I created?
Correct. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Currency is US dollar. Contract with
Manoj, now you can just remove your screen share, and I would request another guy to share the screen and do the things.
correct.
Because now I think you did the sufficient practice. Anyone could take the lead and they can, if they want, or else you continue to create at least 2 projects. I will check it. I want everyone to do this. At the same time, now you can start exploring the Ariba server. Okay, you can start exploring the reports. You can start exploring the sourcing request, sourcing project, whatever it would be.
Amit, I have one query.
Yeah.